Hello, I'm Bridget Adam, a student at Northwestern College. This week we are learning about organizational tech tools, and the one that I'm going to showcase here in this tutorial video is Coggle. And so to go to Coggle, you would go to coggle.it, and this is where you can use this to create diagrams or mind maps. So I think this would be beneficial for me to use in my classroom, not only me as a teacher, but also having my students create some flowcharts and whatnot using Coggle. So I want to just give you a quick little tour of Coggle here. Over here on the left-hand side, you can see the Coggles that you've created yourself. You can see the Coggles that are shared with you, and then there's a gallery. So the gallery is maybe the first place that you would want to start. This gives you just some ideas of different Coggles that are out there. The one that really caught my eye was this flowchart one, since I do teach flowcharts in my 7th grade computer science class. I could see this being very beneficial for my students. And then there's just some other ones here as well. So if you find one of these in the gallery that you like, you can actually just click on it, and then it allows you to edit it and make your own necessary changes to make it customizable for yourself. So as you can see in this gallery, there is a lot of different examples or diagrams or mind maps that you can go with and customize for your own needs. I do want to show you the Coggle that I created, and I created this one about the 4 components of a computer system. So this is a topic that I teach in my computer science exploratory class for 7th graders. And so I just made a real simple little mind map here. And what I did is in the center, I just had the 4 components of a computer system. With these, you can add images to the different areas in your Coggle. And so I just uploaded an image here of a laptop. And then it's real easy to put branches out. So if you hover over different areas of the rectangle shape or the different shapes, you can do a plus sign, and then it'll extend out these branches. And then I have another area here where I extended out another line to kind of give the definition. So this was a Coggle that I created for this assignment. And I want to show you a couple other things here. This one was just one that I tested from the gallery. So it's one that I found in the gallery, and then I just kind of customized it for myself. So in order to get started creating a Coggle, you just sign up with an account, tie it to your Gmail, and then you can come up here to create diagram. And it's just going to give you a middle starting spot here, and it's pretty easy to work with. You can just click in the center of it and add text or a link or an image. And so I'm going to just type input devices, and then if I wanted to add a link to some website or a picture, I could, and you can even search for different icons. Now, after I have that, if I want to start adding branches to this, I can just click the plus sign, and then it'll allow me to type some different things on that. So like I said, it works real easy here. And I think this would be a very good tool for not only myself, but my students to just kind of do those mind map concepts and to organize their thoughts. So just like that. So it's real easy to create one. And then I wanted to show you a couple last things here. When you're back on your home screen here, under the created by you, if you come over here to the 3 dots on the bottom of them, you're able to delete them if you make one and you don't no longer want it. You can also copy one. So I thought this would maybe be a good feature for my students, like if they've created a flowchart diagram and then they just want to make another copy of that to customize it for their next assignment type of thing, that maybe would be a useful thing for them. So once again, I think Coggle would be a very good resource for not only the teacher but the student to kind of break down those complex ideas into simpler ones, making it into a mind map. Thank you.